Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best stand mixers under $100. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Pellucid. 120 watt power and 7 gears can be adjusted at will, blend in all directions easily, beat whole eggs, beat batter, salad dressing, whipped cream, whipped egg whites, etc. to meet your different needs. Spin-type batter bowl, automatically rotates at a uniform speed, easy to mix even without using hands. 1.7 large capacity, stainless steel mixing tank, durable, safe and healthy. Comfortable grip, streamlined handle, comfortable grip for a long time. Double stick designs, stirring is much more convenient. Material, food grade plastics, stainless steel. Number 4. Brand name, Just Buy. The stand mixer's 1500 watt electric motor lets you tackle tough jobs with confidence. It features a 5-liter bowl capacity. Plus, the mixer has 6 speed settings, allowing you to set the right speed for kneading dough or whipping cream, delivering a thorough mixing result every time. Its powerful 1500 watt motor is built to achieve superior performance. Its 3 mixing attachments ensure perfect mixing results every time. Baking for the whole family is never an issue with this mixer. Its 5-liter bowl capacity means it can handle large quantities of ingredients. You can save time with hands-free mixing thanks to this food mixer. High-performance motor, 6-speed mixer for all your food preparation needs. It ensures perfect mixing results every time. Versatile stand mixer: knead dough, make bread, whisk cream. Tilt head and anti-slip design. Tilt head allows for easy access to the mixture. Anti-slip silicone suction cups make sure the machine's steady when working. Dough hooks, a flat beater, a wire whisk, and a splash guard which help you add ingredients without making a mess. The bowl and the wire whip are made of stainless steel, dishwasher safe. The dough hooks and the flat beater are made of aluminum alloy. They are light and sturdy, but cannot wash in dishwasher. The heat in dishwasher will corrode the electro-deposited coating of utensils. Number 3. Brand name, Mixer. Large capacity stainless steel bowl. Food grade stainless steel, smooth surface, easy to scrub. 5 QT large bowl is enough to beat a batch of dough into 8 dozen IOC or 3 bread. Tilt head vertical mixer can not only easily touch the bowl and the connected mixer, but also easy to install and remove the stainless steel bowl and 3 accessories. 6-speed pulse speed control, with practical 6-speed control and pulse function, can be used for different occasions such as dough, egg beater and egg beater etc. 1000 watt pure copper motor and sturdy anti-lock braking system shall make the process fast and thorough. When mixing, the instrument panel helps prevent flour from flying out and keep the environment clean. The splash guard helps to add ingredients without getting dirty. Number 2. Brand name, With full metal gear for high performance operation and planetary mixing effect, beaters for normal to heavy mixtures for whipping eggs and aerating other mixtures. Its 3 mixing attachments ensure perfect mixing results every time. Designed with 600 watts of mixing power and 6 speeds to help you create delicious meals and desserts. High-performance motor with low noise level. The 6-speed speed selector ensures effortless and thorough mixing for a wide variety of foods, from pasta to ice cream, protein to bread dough and much more. The food blender comes with a transparent splash guard that not only protects the food blender from food stains, but also your kitchen floors and table to keep everything in order when baking or mixing your ingredients. Makes adding ingredients easier over time. Number 1. Brand name, Sink. This portable compact egg beater is 100 watt, provides 7 different speed options, ranging from low to high, which can be stirred, whipped, bitten or rubbed, and the result is uniform. The perfect structure will save your cleaning time. You can clean your body with a damp cloth. All accessories are dishwasher safe. Sweet or savory, our stand mixer is your perfect kitchen accessory, which can be used for mixing, beating, creaming, kneading, whipping, etc. The stand mixer is easy to make cakes, breads, biscuits, pastries, muffins and waffles, and the double handle is easier to hold. Kitchen mixers are ideal gifts for family and friends.